In this video, we will show you how to file a California PACT Act report for cigarette, tobacco, and electronic nicotine delivery systems, ENDS. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services Login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services Login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services Profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the PACT Act hyperlink. This will take us to the PACT Act account page. Under the Periods tab, click on the File Return hyperlink next to the return period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the month of March 2021, which is displayed by its return end date of March 31st, 2021. This brings us to the Initial Questions and File Import page. Select Yes to report cigarette products, tobacco products, and/or electronic nicotine delivery systems, ENDS. ENDS reporting under the PACT Act became effective March 27, 2021. ENDS include, but are not limited to, an e-cigarette, e-hookah, e-cigar, vape pen, and any component, liquid, part, or accessory of an ENDS device sold in combination with or separately from the device with or without nicotine. If you did not sell, transfer, or ship cigarette products, tobacco products, or ENDS into California this reporting period, select No. For this example, we will select Yes to all questions. You will then be asked how you would like to add the Cigarette Tobacco ENDS PACT Act report for California. Your options are manually or upload an Excel workbook. First, we will show you how to add the report manually, and then we will show you how to upload an Excel workbook. To add the report manually, select Manually. If you choose, you can save your work at any time by clicking the Save Draft button. Enter your password and click OK. You will then be directed to a confirmation page. Now that you've saved your draft, let's go back to filing your return. Click the Continue Editing button. Now we are back to filing your return. Click the Next button to continue adding the report manually. On the Form PA1 Identify Your Sales page, click on the Add a Record hyperlink to report the cigarette products. A window will appear and you must enter all required information to proceed. Enter the required information and then click Add. The record will now appear under the table. You can add more records by clicking Add a Record. You can also edit the record by clicking the pen and paper icon, copy the record with the clipboard icon, or delete the record with the paper and red X icon. Click the Next button to continue. Repeat the same steps for the Form PA1 Identify Your Delivery Service page. Once you finish adding or editing your records, click Next. Repeat the same steps for the Form PA2 Identify Your Sales page to report the tobacco products. Once you finish adding or editing your records, click Next. Repeat the same steps for the Form PA2 Identify Your Delivery Service page. Once you finish adding or editing your records, click Next. Repeat the same steps for the Form PA3 Identify Your Sales page to report the ENDS products. Once you finish adding or editing your records, click Next. Repeat the same steps for the Form PA3 Identify Your Delivery Service page. Next, we will show you how to upload an Excel workbook. We recommend uploading an Excel workbook if you have multiple transactions. On the Initial Questions and File Import page, select Upload an Excel workbook. You can download and complete the template here. An Excel file titled PACT Filing Template will be downloaded onto your computer. Open the Excel file. Enter the required information on the Cigarette Sales tab. Once you've entered the required information, click on the Cigarette Delivery tab. Enter the required information. Once you've entered the required information, click on the Tobacco Sales tab. Enter your tobacco sales information. Once you've completed entering your tobacco sales, click on the Tobacco Delivery tab. If you do not see the Tobacco Delivery tab, you can click the right arrow to navigate through the tabs. Click on the Tobacco Delivery tab. Enter your tobacco delivery information. Once you've entered the required information, click on the Ends Sales tab. Enter your Ends Sales information. Once you've entered the required information, click on the Ends Delivery tab. Enter your Ends Delivery information. If you need help on completing the different tabs, you can click on the tabs labeled Instructions next to the corresponding tab. After you've completed the report, save the file onto your computer. Back on the Initial Questions and File Import page, you will upload the report by clicking on the button Upload Schedule. Then click the Choose File button to upload the Excel file. After choosing the file, click the Upload button. Please note, once you've uploaded the schedule, the figures will pre-populate on the next page. Your uploaded information will not appear on this page. Click the Next button to proceed. On the Form PA1 Identify Your Sales page, verify the information from the uploaded Excel file is correct for the cigarette products. If you need to make an adjustment, you can upload a new file by clicking Previous and following the steps for uploading an Excel workbook. Or you can add more records by clicking Add a Record. Again, you can also edit the record by clicking the pen and paper icon, copy the record with the clipboard icon, or delete the record with the paper and red X icon. If the information displayed on the page is correct, click Next. Continue your review of tobacco products and ends products to ensure the information entered is correct. Select Next to continue. On the Your Information page, enter in the required information. Then click Submit. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your report is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will not receive a confirmation email. This confirmation page represents a report filing. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To print your submitted report, click on the Print Return button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.